talk about Asian Paints, and we briefly mentioned this as well. It's going to be reporting its numbers today, and there's lots to talk about, right? What is the implication of the increased competition in the space? How is pricing leading to, what is it doing to the margins, and what is it doing to the company's earnings per se? We've got Mahima joining in to tell you what the key expectations are and the key things to watch out for. Morning, Mahima. What are you picking up?
Morning, Neeraj. So basically, in terms of the Bloomberg estimates with respect to the four numbers, revenue may fall by around 13%, EBITDA may fall by 21%, and margins will slide from 22.7 to 18.3%. So Q3 as well for Asian Paints does not look very promising. In terms of what you can expect, muted demand, low volume on account of price hikes, and these price hikes will also hurt margins. In terms of the urban slowdown, since Asian Paints dominates big cities, hence the brunt of urban slowdown is being faced by Asian Paints the most, which is what we'll be seeing in Q3 as well. In terms of key things to watch out for, are they losing any market share is something we'll have to see. How much of a price hikes have they further taken and how much they're expecting to take more. The impact of Grasim overall in terms of market share as well as the Grasim's penetration into different touch points. Update on their amalgamation that they've recently announced, that is their arm of Max Bhumi Developers and Sleek International with the company, and the commentary with respect to the management changes that have recently taken place will also be something to watch out for. In terms of brokerages, Macquarie has maintained outperform with a target price of 3750. They believe that income growth is required for uptick and this will be back by the end of calendar year 2025. Sharper than expected demand weakness drives earning cut is what they're saying, and Morgan Stanley believes that it will deliver low single digit decorative volume growth and expect low single digit decline to low single digit growth in the top line. So this is the overall expectation. So it might be a similar quarter as to how it is seen in first and second quarter, and hence the performance from Asian Paints cannot be expected to be on a softer note. It will see volume as well as margin decline.
Okay, so no fireworks from Asian Paints, net. That's what Mahima's analysis is. Nilesh, I'm just wondering if you're looking at Asian Paints seeing any kind of recovery mode on the charts?
See, there was an attempt in last 2-3 sessions, but yesterday those pullbacks were fizzled out, and overall structure is not looking that promising because the stock has been in a downtrend. Constantly, we have seen in last 4-5 months the stock has constantly underperformed, and it has corrected. It has witnessed a sharp correction. There could be possibility of a dead cat bounce because the stock is trading into extremely oversold territory. But the major structure, major undertone still looks weak. So better to avoid taking any contrabet for the time being. Till the time we see any strong reversal candle, a breakout above 2400 will negate this bearish formation. But as of now, it's an avoid.
Okay. Asian Paints is an avoid. We'll get Sunny's view, but after a very short break.